Hey everyone, it's Matt here.
How's it going, everybody? This is your friend Will here. Cleaned up the wall once again because you deserve better viewing experience. That's right. I'm so considerate.
Welcome back to another episode of Savants Tech Talk. Today we're going to discuss some of the ways that you can use your skills as a developer to be able to make money without having to get a standard 9 to 5 job.
These ideas can be really useful to you if you are a developer who likes to work on your own time and works on your own schedule. And it's understandable in this circumstances because it is kind of difficult to find a full-time job because of this whole, Corona fiasco. But hopefully these ideas can give you some inspirations and hopefully they can be of benefit to you.
And if you watch until the end, you may find our last point to be very interesting. Are you a passionate tech professional looking to hustle and advance your career in the tech industry? You should subscribe to our YouTube channel for all the latest tips, insights, and advice on what's going on in the tech industry. The first thing you can do is you can take up freelancing. Now, there are many platforms available for you to get started. You can start off on, for example, Freelancer or Fiverr or Upwork, for example. The thing that's great about these is you can tailor your offerings for projects that require your specific skill set.
That's right. You can productize your own skill set. And you can, if you want, you can also have your own personal website. The downside of that is you need to do a lot of SEO and do digital marketing to make sure you can get yourself to the people that want to hire you to complete a particular job. If you are really good at freelancing, the customers will want to stay with you and you're likely to get residual income out of that. And chances are if you're good at freelancing, you're going to get more customers than your own capacity, in which case you'll have to scale out by hiring basically more people, which then will probably turn yourself into more of a consultancy. Now, there's minor differences with these different platforms. For instance, Freelancer and Fiverr tend to have more competitive pricing. So in order for you to really stand out from your competition, you not only have to do a good job, but also stay competitive with pricing. With Upwork, you need to make sure you deliver really high quality service and deliver really high quality code. But as long as you can deliver high quality service, you can set a price that can justify the quality of your code.
The second thing you can do is you can actually start your own courses. Now you can go about this 2 different ways. You can use platforms that are available such as, for example, Udemy, or you can go about creating your own exclusive courses.
Now, a platform like Udemy can help you sell courses without you even have to do any type of marketing because they already have a lot of existing users who are eager to learn about new technology. And if you are able to make high quality educational content, you're going to make a lot of money. We're talking hundreds of thousands of dollars per course. That's how much money that other content creators on Udemy that are really successful are making. And it's not too difficult to get started. You can start by creating courses around the skill set that you're really good at, you're really familiar with, and teach a particular type of the skills being used. For instance, say GraphQL with React. How do you integrate GraphQL and React? And if you can create a course like that, chances are there will be a lot of people who want to buy that course. And because the price is so low, it's usually around $10 to $20 for a course. If you're able to make a lot of high quality content, the amount of people that are purchasing are going to boost the algorithm to place your course to the recommended course page. Now, that is not to say that you can also spin up your own course platform. For instance, there's an open source educational platform called Moodle, which can allow you to spin up your own course platform to sell your own courses. But in that case, you also have to do a lot of search engine optimization as well as digital marketing.
Another way you can make money with your skills is you can actually start posting YouTube videos on your own. You can take your skills, maybe post free tutorials. And once you have an audience, you can make money through YouTube's partnership program. Or if you build a large enough audience, you can also seek out sponsors who will actually pay you to feature either their products or their names in your videos.
Yes, you can. If you're able to make a viral video that has over 1 million views, you can just make thousands of dollars off that one video. Many successful YouTubers make over 7 digits every year, including the fees that they collect from their video, as well as sponsorship. And nowadays, there are more and more successful tech YouTubers. This shows that the tech professionals and people who are passionate about technology are now coming to YouTube and actually are watching, tech-related content. It's a growing niche that is likely to get even bigger in the near future. So making tech-related content is definitely a profitable idea if you want to work on your own.
If for some reason you don't want to make videos, maybe you're shy on camera, you don't have to resort to video. Another thing you can do is you can write your own blogs. You can post content teaching people how to code. And there's a lot of different platforms out there. The one that we like is Medium. Medium will actually pay you to post content. And if you get enough views, if you get enough people reading your articles, that can also add up and can help you make some money as well.
Yeah, we're talking like thousands of dollars every month off of one successful Medium post. And because Medium already has a monthly subscription service with their subscribers, you don't really have to worry about marketing your content and worry about the keyword. Medium will help you push the content to the right people so that you can focus on content creation and writing the best article there is regards to a specific topic. So if you are passionate about writing technology-related content or programming in general, starting your Medium account will really add up financially in the long run.
And if you are a talented developer, what better way to make money than to start your own business by selling either your own products or your own services?
That's right. You can either start your own consulting business and sell your services, or you can create your own product. Now, don't think that you have a difficult chance to create product nowadays, because now a lot of successful unicorn billion-dollar companies actually started in their garage. So who's to say that you're not going to be one of them? If you're passionate about software engineering and you're passionate about delivering value to customers, starting your own business is definitely the right way to go. Now, product development and selling your consulting services are two different approaches to start your own business. If you were to start your own consultancy, you're going to have a lot of cash flow upfront. But beware, your company may saturate. I mean, you may find difficulty when you try to scale up, because there's only limited amount of time that you have. And in order to find more clients, manage clients' expectation, and at the same time, try to scale your business bigger, it's going to be all kinds of friction. And it is not a simple task to do. Where on the other hand, if you are going with a product approach, you may not see a lot of money upfront for a very long time. You have to really focus on developing the core functionalities of your product and develop what's called an MVP. And if you don't know how to develop that, you can check out the video that we posted earlier to find out how to develop your MVP. But once you develop an MVP, you're likely going to try to go to the market and try to find product market fit and later raise money. So you see, there's a really long cycle before you can actually reap any type of financial reward. You just have the bare minimum salary that you can earn off of working other jobs. But if you're passionate about software development and you believe your idea strongly, then you may just be the next Bill Gates or Mark Zuckerberg or anyone else who built a unicorn started from their garage.
And last, but certainly not least, the one you've all been waiting for, software renovation. Now, you can use, for example, a platform like Flippa.
Now, this idea is very interesting because we haven't heard a lot of people talking about it, but it's definitely viable. The Flippa is a platform that allows you to buy existing software. It's anywhere from, say, something like a customized software developed on .NET framework or built on Java or Node.js, to something like an e-commerce platform being built on WooCommerce or Shopify. But the key thing here is that they're all software-related products. And if you're passionate about software engineering and software development, and you also have a business mindset, you may already be able to connect the dots. That's right. You can purchase an existing software, improve it, and then sell it for a higher price. It is similar to the concept of home renovation, where you purchase an old home, build it, renovate it, and sell it for a higher price. It is very similar to that. Or if you're really good at selling because you know technology very well, you can try to find more customers with that particular software product that you purchased, that you bought. So it's more so of an investment plus using your skill set and using your software intuition to earn money.
So there you have it. Those are some of the ways that you can use your skills as a developer in order to make money. Did any of these ideas stand out to you? Or do you have any of your own ideas that maybe we didn't mention? If so, we would love to hear them in the comments down below. Don't be afraid to click that like button and subscribe for more content.
That's right. See you guys next time. Pow.